In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how much TikTok actually paid me for 1 million views. So if you're someone that has been looking forward to join the TikTok creativity program and you're actually wondering how much you could actually make from the TikTok creativity program, or you are kind of thinking if the TikTok creativity program is actually worth it, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be sharing with you my experience so far with the TikTok creativity program. So before you actually join the TikTok creativity program, you need to actually meet up some requirements, which is 10,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, and also you need to have at least about 100 views in the last 30 days on your TikTok account. I know you guys might be kind of thinking, okay, this requirement is kind of much, but I was able to actually get this requirement in less than 7 days. And also you need to actually take note that the TikTok creativity program is not actually available worldwide, because if you're actually watching this video from country like Nigeria, Ghana, and from the third world country like Africa, the TikTok creativity program is actually not available in our country. But I've already created a video where I actually explain to you guys on how you could actually create a US TikTok account that could actually use to make money for yourself. I have also created a video where I actually walk you through how you could actually meet up with the TikTok creativity program. So I'm going to be leaving the link to the two videos in the video description and also at the end of this video. So don't wait to go check out the video once you're done watching this video. So I know you guys are already curious already to actually know how much I actually made for 1 million views on TikTok. So yeah, is it? So for over 1 million views right here, TikTok actually paid me $1,115.4 US dollars for over 800 and something views right here from TikTok. And you guys could see right here that this is my stacks for the last 30 days. So you can see right here, this is my RPM, which is $1.20. So all I want you guys to actually do for me is to actually go down to the comment section and actually tell me if the money is actually worth the views, or did I actually get paid less. So please let me know your opinion in the comment section below. And also I want you guys to also go down to the comment section and actually tell me how much this money is in your currency, and also what this money could actually do for you. So another thing I want you guys to actually know is that the way TikTok actually pays different creators is actually different, because TikTok actually pays based on your niche. So as the same thing is also applicable to YouTube. So they actually pay you depending on the kind of niche, the kind of video you actually create on your channel. So if you're going to be creating like entertainment videos, you actually might be getting like less paid than those that are actually in the education niche, like the make money online niche. So like, you know, every niche has their RPM, which is revenue per mile. So every niche has their own RPM and CPM. So if you know you want me to do a separate video about CPM or RPM, so if you know you do not understand what this means, you could actually just go down to the comment section and type yes, drop the video. And if I see a lot of people actually commenting on the video, I'm actually going to be creating a video about CPM. I'm going to be explaining in details what this actually means. And again, guys, if you know you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give the video a like, smash the subscribe button, so that whenever I drop any video like this, you're actually going to be the first person to be notified. Because on my channel right here, I actually share with you guys tips you could actually use to make money online. So if you're someone who is actually interested about making money online, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. So if you know you want to actually learn how you could actually go viral on TikTok to actually get more followers for yourself, I'm going to advise you click on this video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.